Yo guys, we're in fishing in Canada. So before we came here, we got a permit. Kumuha muna kami ng permit mga kababayan. So yan, I will like to show you na in Canada you cannot go for fishing without any permit. But we got permit first and sale for $25. So we go on fishing right now, and here's the place. Hope you like it, guys. And we have summer here, spring season. So yan, but may mga requirements para manghuli ng isda. Hindi basta pwedeng hulihin ng kahit anong klase. So we're gonna try to throw, guys. So I'm gonna put this one here for a while so you could see what I'm doing. So we're gonna prepare this one, remove it, then gonna throw. Yep, that's nice. Okay. Nakahuli mga kababayan. So huli natin. Wala, binawi lang pero hindi kinagat. Naubos yung pain. The bait is empty. My bait is empty, see? It's empty now. It's been eaten. See? The bait here is gone.
Bastard.
Those bastards. I have to change. I almost catch the fish, but
Well, look in the gray box. There's a worms and
yeah, we'll try it again, man. Yeah. Yep. Gonna change it. What else do we have here?
Oh, well, look in the gray box.
Yeah.
No, but look in the gray box.
Yep. Gray box. Let's try. Let's see. Oh, that's good.
Bastard.
Yeah.
Oh no. I put one of these on.
Uh-huh.
The
What?
the small bug.
Uh-huh. Yeah, good. That would be good. This one, we're gonna try this one with this fish.
But for trout, that's where's Peter? Still on the phone?
Still on the phone? Here? Yeah. Yeah. They're celebrating out there. They're celebrating for something. I think they have a family gatherings. Second try mga kababayan. Nagpalit ako ng bait. So ito. Yan. Nagpalit tayo ng bait. So try natin. Second throw. Dalawang bato. 1, 2, 3. That's nice.
I want to go on those rocks.
Yeah, let's go there. Let's go
No,
there.
well, just there.
That's that in the middle?
Yeah. I think
What the heck?
oh,
I bite it, I bite it. Yeah, I have it. I have it, man. I have it. I have it. I have it, I have it.
sure? Sure?
I have it.
You sure?
What the heck? What's this?
It's a clam.
A clam.
Well, first bite of the year. You can eat that. It's, people put Tabasco sauce in there. They cook
Yeah.
them Tabasco sauce
Right.
or lemon juice or.
Yeah, but it's the one who bite it.
Yeah, I know because the shell is open.
Yeah.
So when they fruit that
Look
plant,
at this one, guys.
of course, yeah,
See this one?
that's food.
This is my first time na makahuli ng ganitong shells from fishing. See guys? Ito nahuli ko. So yan. I thought it's already fish. Yeah!
Well, it's food.
Nice.
Boil it in water. and-
Yep. Let's see. That's the second throw. This one is nice. This one is nice. Thought it's already a fish. 1, 2, 3. Yep.
Well, they did. What are they doing? We should be like 5 hair fishing to.
They must fish right now. What's the fish? Good. I feel I can catch something big. I catch the shell already. Oh man. That's the third draw. Second draw is successful. We have to go for the fourth draw. 1, 2. Yee! Good score. You know when we go to the office of sale, that's why I send you a message.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna $91. They think we are just a visitor in here.
Okay.
So when we show them our ID and they call the main office, they said it's $25.55.
Yeah.
So good, we have the permit for a year.
So now we're gonna be able to go everywhere without
No hesitance.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll be safe. No
Because
trouble at
here
all.
we don't need a permit. Nobody's gonna come and bother us.
But to be sure, we don't want any fine later on.
Yeah.
Because we heard something in our friends that they got fined for $350 for go fishing without permit.
Okay.
So I don't want it. biting, no? See? See, look. Don't pull it too much because it's biting, see? See?
Yours?
See? Oh! I didn't catch it. It's biting, man. We're gonna catch this thing. Yo. So